Alright, picture this. It's one of those mornings. The sun is barely peeking through your curtains, your alarm is blaring, and you're already calculating how many minutes you can spare before you absolutely have to get up. We've all been there, right? You hit snooze one too many times, the to-do list is a mile long, and you still want to look like you've got your life together. Maybe you've got errands to run, groceries to grab, or a surprise coffee date with a friend you haven't seen in ages. But even on the busiest days, you deserve to feel a little bit special. But who says you can't look glam while running errands? Today, I'm showing you how to achieve that quick, natural glam in the most fun way possible, as a claymation. Because honestly, if our little clay selves can pull it off, so can we. First up, let's talk skin. A fresh, glowing base is the secret to looking awake and put together, even if you're running on caffeine and pure willpower. I always reach for a lightweight, tinted moisturizer, something that evens things out but still lets my skin breathe. It's like a real-life filter, but way more comfortable and way less obvious. A couple dabs, blend with fingers, and boom, fresh-faced and ready. No brushes, no fuss, just a quick pick-me-up for your skin that takes less than a minute. If I'm extra sleepy, I'll tap a little concealer under my eyes, but I keep it minimal. The goal isn't to hide everything, just to brighten up and look a little more awake. Now, onto brows. A groomed brow changes everything, trust me. Even if you do nothing else, brushing up your brows can make you look instantly more polished. I just brush them up with a clear gel. Nothing wild, just a little lift. It's the easiest way to frame your face and look like you put in way more effort than you actually did. It frames my face and makes me feel instantly more put together. Seriously, never underestimate the power of a good brow day. Next, I grab a creamy blush stick. This is my ride or die for natural glam. It's portable, easy to use, and gives you that healthy, just got back from a walk flush. I swipe a bit on the apples of my cheeks and blend it out with my fingertips. The warmth of your hands helps it melt right in, so you look naturally radiant, not overly made up. It wakes up my complexion and makes me look alive, even if I've only had 5 hours of sleep. It's like a little magic trick for tired faces everywhere. Sometimes I'll dab a little onto my lips too, multitasking at its finest. It ties the whole look together and saves you from digging around for a separate lip product. For the eyes, I keep it simple. No time for a full smoky eye when you're racing the clock. I swipe a neutral shadow across my eyelids. Something soft, nothing too shimmery. It adds just enough definition to make your eyes pop, but it's subtle enough for daytime. Then a quick curl of my lashes and a coat of mascara. This step is non-negotiable for me. It instantly makes me look more awake and bright-eyed. It opens up my eyes without looking overdone, perfect for a day of errands, coffee runs, or spontaneous lunch dates. You never know who you'll bump into, so a little mascara goes a long way. Finishing touch, a little highlighter. This is the secret weapon for that effortless, dewy look. Just a dab on the cheekbones and maybe the tip of my nose. Sometimes I'll even tap a bit on my brow bone or Cupid's bow for extra glow. It catches the light and gives that I woke up like this kind of glow. Even if you're running late, you'll look like you had all the time in the world. And that's it, less than 5 minutes, and I'm out the door, ready to conquer my day, and maybe even run into that old friend at the grocery store. It's amazing how a few quick steps can make you feel so much more confident. Claymation or not, beauty should be fun and effortless. It's about feeling good in your own skin, not about perfection or following every trend. So next time your schedule is packed but you still want to feel a little special, try this quick natural glam. It's proof that you don't need a full hour or a dozen products to look and feel your best. You'll be amazed at how a few simple steps can boost your confidence and your mood, even on the busiest days. Sometimes taking those few minutes for yourself is the best form of self-care. Thanks for hanging out with me on this claytastic adventure. I hope you had as much fun watching as I did creating this look. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more creative beauty stories. See you next time, and remember, a little glam goes a long way, even on errand days.